I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Camry versus the Volkswagen Passat. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which sedan best fits your lifestyle. The Camry is renowned for its consistent reliability and strong resale value, making it a practical choice. Meanwhile, the Passat stands out with its notably spacious interior and a comfortable, refined driving experience. Let's dive into the specifics of each model. When it comes to performance, the Camry often provides a choice between a 2.5-liter four-cylinder or a more powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine, offering brisk acceleration. The Passat typically features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, delivering a smooth and responsive drive. While some Camry trims lean towards a sportier feel, the Passat generally prioritizes a composed and comfortable ride, ideal for daily commuting and long trips. Inside, the Passat truly shines with its impressive rear seat legroom and a generous trunk, making it excellent for families or frequent travelers. The Camry, on the other hand, often features a more modern and intuitive infotainment system. Both sedans come equipped with essential safety features, and their higher trims introduce advanced driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, enhancing your peace of mind on the road. Considering long-term value, the Toyota Camry typically maintains a stronger resale value, which is a significant advantage. The Volkswagen Passat might present a more attractive initial purchase price. Fuel efficiency varies depending on the specific engine and trim level for both vehicles. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize the Camry's proven reliability and resale or the Passat's spaciousness and comfortable ride. Both are excellent choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.